Hello, it's Alane Freund here with your HSP Travel vlog. I'm taking a walk around the little village that is my home this week. It's called La Bresse, as you can see on the sign, and I don't know if you can see up on the hill there. There are sheep grazing in a pasture on the hillside. It's a pretty steep hillside, not unlike where I live. La Bresse. Staying in a little Airbnb. It's in the center of town. It's a little bit noisy, I'm not gonna lie. But I think mostly because in the summer, there's a carnival every weekend from Friday through Tuesday. It's a block from our place. But I just think it's so sweet and beautiful. I love all the dark roofs and the light buildings, a few pastel. And I'm walking, taking my evening walk. If you can see, there's a car driving up the road on that hillside up there. Taking an evening walk once again to reset my brain and allow myself to move into a different kind of being in my body. Today, Annette and I went to Colmar, which is a tourist attraction. I'm glad we went to see it. It had the famous half-timber houses there, and buildings are quite beautiful, and I have a little bit of some posts for that. You may have already seen them. But I like the village life. And tomorrow I think we're going to lay low and hang out around La Bresse. And if you saw any of my posts about the lake, it was just, part of this village practically is just up in the mountains right above. And I think right above me is the goat dairy. And tomorrow we're going to the goat dairy to taste the goat cheese. Maybe milk a goat or two. Just kidding. I don't need to do that. We had a milk cow for a couple of years when I was a kid, and that was plenty. So just wanted to share the valley and the village with you. It's a large enough village that it has a supermarket, and when I lived in a tiny village in France when I was 21 or 22 in southern France, the village was called Aiguière, and it was so small that it had no supermarché, only the little outdoor market and a baker and a butcher, I believe. So here we are. I'm so pleased to be here. It's really shifting my experience of my trip to be with a friend. Be talking about HSPs and our lives together all the time, and to be in this smaller community. So that's the HSP outlook on the HSP Travel blog. This is Alane Freund. Please subscribe and click the bell so you get notifications, and tune in to all my adventures. It'll be a few weeks at least. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye now.